Welcome to grade 9 biology class. My dear children, today we are going to discuss the chapter Why do we fall ill? Oh my God, this is a question. Why do we fall ill? Let us discuss before these things and all. What is health? Health is a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. It's a definition. What do you mean by that? Means a person's mental state, physical state and socially he should be fit. Then only we can call a person healthy. Disease. What is disease then? Any disturbance in the structure or functioning of any organ or part of a body. Okay, any disturbance, we call it as a disease. Then, the various causes of diseases are pathogens, virus, bacteria, lack of nutrition, that is, your diet is not balanced. Okay, then the disease can occur because of lack of public health services, right? When we don't keep our environment clean, it can happen. Then there is a term called acute disease. Acute disease occurs suddenly and lasts for short duration. And the another term chronic. Chronic disease develops slowly and it will last for a long period. So that is the difference between acute and chronic. Now, the disease or the infections can be prevented by our lifestyle. Exercise properly, proper sleep, enough relaxation. Okay, then taking balanced diet, good personal hygiene or health, okay, by then keeping the surroundings clean, forgot the main point, right? So all this together when you keep, you'll be fit. Okay, then the treatment involved in curing disease is by killing the microorganisms or pathogens. Now let us discuss about the next point, community health. All those activities which people do individually or in groups, okay, for the development of the society, that contributes towards the community health. Actually, we can say that personal and community health are supplementary to each other. They are supplementary. And we protect our body by keeping ourselves clean. Don't forget that. For this, we also require good health, environmental surroundings also. Let me repeat this point again and again. We can have this only by means of community health development. So, both personal and community health are interrelated. We cannot separate one from the other. That's not possible. Now, look at this table. Please look at this table which is displayed on your screen. In the table, being healthy and being disease free is displayed. See? You can read what is displayed. Being healthy. It is a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. It refers to the individual physical and social environment. The individual has good health. The other one just opposite of that. It's a state of absence from disease. It refers only to the individual. The individual may have good health or poor health. Okay, see, that was the table stating. Now, let us see what are diseases and its causes. What does diseases look like? When a person is affected by disease, either the function or appearance of one or more system of the body will change for the worse. These changes gives rise to symptoms and signs of disease. On the basis of your symptom only, the physician tells, these are the signs of so and so thing. So you are having this test. So please conduct this test and come, so that we can confirm the disease. By seeing to your symptoms only, doctor confirms, right? And after the blood test, I mean. Now, let us see what are the types of diseases. As I told you in the beginning of this session, acute disease and chronic disease. The disease that lasts for a short period of time and does not have any long-term effect, we call it as acute. Example, cold, cough, typhoid, cholera, that will be coming and going. But chronic are the disease which last for long and has long-term drastic effect on health. Example, diabetes, tuberculosis, elephantiasis, cancer, arthritis. These are chronic diseases. I hope it's clear. Acute and chronic. Let us see now the causes of diseases. Diseases are caused by pathogens like virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoans or worms. Then second point, poor health and undernourishment. The people, those who don't eat properly, balanced diet, those who don't take all the nourishments required, nutritions required, malfunctioning of body parts, environmental pollution. Okay, all these are the factors. Now, let us discuss about infectious diseases. Infectious diseases can be called by another name, communicable diseases. These diseases are spread from an infected person to a healthy person. How? Through air, water, food, vector, physical contact, or by means of sexual contact. AIDS, I hope you remember, right? AIDS, malaria, chickenpox, tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, measles, mumps, chickenpox. All these are communicable diseases, infectious diseases. Next comes non-infectious diseases. These diseases which are not spread from an infected person to an healthy person. Example, night blindness, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, beriberi, rickets, scurvy. All these are non-infectious diseases. They don't spread from one person to another person. Now I would like you all to look to this slide. Please look to the slide. In the slide, the agent which causes infectious diseases are called pathogens. They are viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, worms. Viruses, see the disease caused by them. Common cold, influenza, measles, mumps, chickenpox, AIDS, hepatitis B, etc. Bacteria, cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, tetanus, anthrax, food poisoning, etc. Fungi, skin infections. Protozoans, malaria, kala azar, amoebic dysentery, sleeping sickness. Worms, intestinal infections, elephantiasis. So in this slide, what you are seeing now in this slide, you can see, please do understand and learn it properly. So my dear children, with this we will wind up today's class. and I hope, I expect you to read it properly and go through the question answers. If you have any doubt, you can contact. Until then, thank you. Thank you so much.